Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jenn Bell, your technology advisor, and today I'm here with Dan Byrd, one of our field service engineers, who's going to introduce himself and talk a little bit about his role here at TeamLogic IT.
Hi, I'm Dan. I go on site to different clients every day. My job duties really entitle fixing things on site one by one, not really sticking there more than a day. Doing things like certain networking things, computers, anything really that involves being on site. I'm the one that's going to be out there first, and then if there is more high-level stuff, then I'll escalate that to one of my other colleagues in my department. But I usually am the one that's out there first, and I'm usually the one that fixes it first.
Great. Thank you, Dan. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out today. Until next time.